This is in breakfast. Good job.
What is
Good
this?
job. The coffee is hot. Yes, got it. Oh, gosh. We'll try. A little strong. Oh, crack it open. Crack it open. Yeah. Open. Use that, yeah. Slowly. Right here, we crack one. No, right here. Press it right here where you crack now. Go. One half. Now. Oh, careful. Ay!
Ow!
Oh, that is it. Yeah. So we have a bit later in the first egg. Hey. Yeah. So we'll mix it up French toast today. More, not more. Okay, a little bit more. Keep stirring, Ezekiel. Okay, good enough.
Whoa, it looks white now. It looks like egg yolk.
Yep, good job. Good job, Ezekiel.
Now it looks like egg yolk and rainbow.
Rainbow.
Now it's rainbow.
Oh, let's get bread.
I'm spatula.
It's ready for spatula. Ready for your butter? Yeah.
Spatula butter. Spatula butter.
Spatula butter.
Need a spatula made out of butter.
Oh, ready to get me on French toast. I think it's hot enough. Yeah, it's hot enough. Go right there. Good job.
That's all.
Yeah, put that butter in it.
What is honey butter?
Yeah, that's the butter. Start melting.
Hot.
Yep, put it aside, love. Okay, next is our bread.
Now there's
You ready for your bread, Matthias? Get your bread. Matthias, let's open bread. Right here first. You want me to do it? You just dip that. Dip. So you're going to dip the bread. This is it. After the bread. You want to do it? You want to do it? Dip.
They don't show yellow.
Yep, stand over. Yummy eggs.
I think.
Scooch it, scooch. You do it. Yep, almost there.
Almost.
Try again. Try again. Do like that. Okay, go. You can do it. Yay! Do it this minute.
One crack.
That's it. Crack. Let mommy do that too. Crack. Yan na, benar Matthias. Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. You like
Like
that?
the elevator.
Yep, right here, right. Mommy got it.
The rest will come.
Here, come here. Come here. Look here.
Help.
So go like this.
Help.
Go, put it here. Good job. Here. Yep. Let's put butter. Go for butter. Butter. Yep. What's butter? Stay away your hand. Look at that. Good job, love. I think that's enough for the game. Balok sa mga butter. Butter. Little hot. Cherry. This is one line.
One eye. Look,
That, I made a fun for that word.
oh, no,
Wasted. Now it's time to flip in the bread. Not yet. Okay, good, love. You that's it. Then flip it. Fast. Flip it fast. Good job. You that's it. You just flip it in the other side, huh? Then, how about the other one? The other two. You can flip it fast. Then flip. Oh, you did it. Other one. Yay. Good job. One here. See, you did it. You just flip it fast, huh? Healthy, yes? Yeah? It's just like this. I made it little space. Hindi na ba? Uy, ready na siya. Uy. Uy, exercise saying, ano yung breakfast? Exercise. Uy, ay. Ready na. It's ready na. I think na. Right here na. Here na. Lay down. Here. Here. Good job. Ano yun? Good job. Winner, Matthias. Good job. French toast is ready. Have you played na? That's fine. You're sitting up.
Oh, bigger than one small.
Oh, you butter Ezekiel too? Good job. Matthias wants your bread.
Okay, one.
Just a little, okay? Not too much sugar. Here, love. Give me your brother one. Let's spread it out.
I'm just gonna have.
So, you guys did good making your French toast.
Oh, bread.
Yeah?
It would smell.
Yeah, it just smells more delicious. Yeah, just spread it out. Yeah, that's not, yeah, it's stuck. There's no butter. Yeah, you're not gonna Ezekiel, okay? Here.
Wait, you put milk.
How was it? Good? Yeah, here. Let's see. Okay, let's see how was it, Matthias? Let's have one now.
Wait.
Big bite. No milk. Milk. Yeah, it's a little heavy. Yeah, there's lots of milk in there now. What? A little? Just a little or more?
A little more.
Little more, Matthias.
Not all the way to the top.
Okay. A little? Yeah. Okay, you turn Matthias here. Okay. Is that enough? Is that enough? Okay. Almost. Here. Uy. Ano sila? Ilong na silang breakfast. Sako! Ah! Super thumbs up! You know why it's good? What do you think? That's true. Because who made those?
Me and you and Nadia.
It's mostly you, Nadia. You just did great. Yay! You don't have to make your own food. Yeah? Because I guess Mama don't want to make now for you guys food. But it's good to learn, huh?
Yeah, they're not gonna help us.
I know. We still need help. You guys, good job.